Hello guys, today I've got an amazing dish for us. So the dish is basically Feteer. It's basically spelled on the screen right now. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's still an amazing dish and you should definitely try it out. So all the ingredients are 1.5 kilograms of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 750 milliliters of water, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first step of this recipe is to put the salt. Okay, so now we are just putting the water onto the flour. We put the flour and the water onto another plate because it has more space. And okay, so now we have divided the dough into equal sized balls and we have covered it with some vegetable oil from the bottom and the top and left it. Okay, so now we have our fillings, which are pastrami, hot dogs, green bell peppers, cheddar, soft cheese, mozzarella, parmesan, and of course olives. Okay, so we've got our nice flour balls and our fillings. So yeah, we're gonna put our fillings into the flour balls to make our nice Feteer. Okay, so now we are just putting the oil and the dough on the and we're just repeating the Okay, so now we are just putting our Feteer onto our frying pan, and we're just gonna let it fry for a few more minutes, as it'll take a good amount of time just to fry it and have it golden brown, because we want that taste, and yeah, we want it to look cool, and but the most important thing is that it tastes good, because then you would have wasted your time. But we don't want that in our channel. We want you to actually have the best food you can ever have. And yeah, we're just putting a lid on top of the frying pan. You don't have to do that. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, Feteer is a traditional Egyptian dish, and you should definitely try it out for yourself, as it is very delicious and it's definitely worth your time. And yeah, so here's something I've never done before, a hint for the next video. I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen, and that's what's gonna be for the next video. So yeah, try and guess that out. So yeah, they're on the screen right now.